What's up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be showing you guys how to go about randomizing your Pokemon Sun and Moon. So included down below in the description are going to be a link to my Google Drive where you have access to everything you need. It's going to be this folder right here that says everything you need. And then I also have a modding folder. So this is the folder that we're going to mostly be making, that I made for myself to be able to use for the purposes of randomizing my game files. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. On a side note though, just so you guys know, there is no ads, there's no bullshit. Everything that you guys need and will want to have is included in the everything you need folder. There's no ads, no nothing, no bullshit, no pulling strings. It's all there, and I will show you on the web browser as well my Google Drive and the link. So let's go ahead and get started. So everything you need, it popped up on my other monitor. I need to readjust and move things. Alright, so included in here you're gonna have Pack Hack, PK3DS, Pokemon Sun, and Citra setup. So you need to go ahead and run your Citra setup, which I've already done, but you know, welcome to Citra. You do all that you need to do, and you'll have it done. So we'll go ahead and pop up Citra. Once it's done, it won't quite look like this. I hate this other TV monitor that I'm using. It's like way done. But you'll have something like this. You probably won't have these folders here. Let me go ahead and just go right here and remove game directory. Boom. You'll have something that looks like this. Right? This is your emulator. Included in here is going to be the ROM that you need under Pokemon Sun. Now, only included Pokemon Sun. You can get Pokemon Moon or X and Y. I will leave a link in the description to that for you guys. So if you'd like to go to the website that I used to get these files for the Pokemon Ultra Sun and 3DS file and CIA file for the update, we can do that. And I'll show you guys how to go about updating Pokemon Ultra Sun to version 1.2, which is this update file right here. So boom, you have Pokemon Sun, right? Alright, you did your Citra, you got it all downloaded. Just make sure that it works for you. So what you'll do is you go File, Load File. And now you're going to go to your desktop, right? It's going to show you all this other stuff. So for me, everything you need. Boom. Pokemon Sun. Boom. Pokemon Ultra Sun. No outlines. Boom. As you can see, it's loading up. I have this. Sorry about that. I have this going at like 1900% speed just to show you guys that this works. So let's go ahead and run through this real quick. Just showing you that this works and everything is good. Just let me tell you, like, this game is really loud. Okay. I just turned down the volume on that game because holy crap, guys, it is loud. Alright, so anyways. Boom, you know, get through the cutscene, get through everything. Boom, boom. Of course, blah, 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 blah. Oh wait, that's right, we gotta go back up. We gotta go grab our bag. Oop, I hit the wrong thing. Whoops. God dang it. Why did it go back over there to that monitor? I accidentally hit the escape button. I'm sorry, guys. This isn't like gonna be the greatest video in the world, but it's gonna get the job done. There we go. Boom, fantastic. And I'm not gonna worry about editing. I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what you need to do. So you got that, boom. You go outside, you know, you run up here. This is probably the modded one, but this is like what I already have done. I don't know if it will have the starters randomized, but because I was messing with it yesterday, trying to make sure I got everything that you guys needed. Okay, so as you can see, they're not randomized right now. It works. Boom. We get our Popolio. We do not want to give it a nickname because F it. It's just going like super fast. We're super fast, guys. Yep, up here. You know, you can go into a battle. Everything works perfectly. I played this for like an hour yesterday, making sure everything works. Boom! Oh, look at that water gun. Boom! Oh, and it's dead. Game speed is so nice. If you guys want a little kind of like tutorial about how to go about making this like run faster and things like that, I can show you exactly how to do that. But there you go, it's running. So we're gonna go ahead and close this for now. Would you like to exit? Yes. All right. So that's our Pokemon Sun and Moon folder. So what you're gonna need to do next is go into your PK3DS. This should have everything you need. Just make sure that you have everything. Open up PK3DS. Make sure you get something like this. All right. This is what you want. All right. So for now, we're gonna minimize PK3DS. We're gonna go into Pack Hack. So right here we have all the cleaning tools and everything you need, right? So I suggest making another folder like I did for modding. So that way you still have a default folder with all the original stuff in case something goes wrong. So modding. So this is what you'll do. You'll take the PK3DS and the Pack Hack folders, you'll want to copy them. So let's go ahead and let's just go ahead and delete this. And we'll just do a brand new folder just to show you guys. Why can't I grab what I want? Thank you. Like, so the problem with this freaking other monitor is the TV, and it's like over enlarging everything. So it's like way off screen. Anyways, I'll make a new folder. New folder. Modded. We'll call it modded. So we'll go into everything we need right here. So we're going to take these two folders. Do not cut. Just hit copy. You want to have copy. That's huge. And then you're going to paste. Transferring. Boom. Copied. And then what I found out that what you could do is just go to your Pack Hack, copy it, paste it in here. Right? So you have this. So what I recommend doing that I found out to be really nice, now that I remembered, is you want, let's go ahead and minimize that, to go into everything you need. You want to go into Pokemon Sun, and you're going to need to get this file right here, the .3ds file. Copy it as well. Go back into your modded folder. Go into Pack Hack. Paste it in here. The reason I suggest this is because when you go back, what you're going to be doing, all the stuff that you want to be doing is going to be in Pack Hack, right? So you just copy this folder. You paste it in. Boom. Now you have a copy, which is fantastic. All right. So under Pack Hack, which is where you're going to go, run the setup. Apologize. I sneezed. But run the setup. You know, it's going to give you the setup wizard. I've already done this, but go ahead and install it. Do all that. I don't know if you necessarily need to, but I did just to be safe. Then open up your hacking tool. Your hacking tool is going to look like this. All right. Boom. Before you do anything here, you need to come into your copy, go to your Pokemon Sun, and rename it. Name it something short because you're going to be typing this back in. So Sun, for instance. So we're naming it sun.3ds. All right. We're going to pull up our hacking tool. The reason you want to do that is because you're going to hit D for extraction of your .3ds file. All right. The reason you rename it to something short is it's going to ask you to type in the file name that you chose, which has your .3ds file. So you're going to type in sun. Boom. Do you want to compress it? You could do either or, but I always just do no. So in on that second option there. And what you're going to see in the background while it's running, extraction in progress, it's going to dump all these files in here. All of these files in here. Once that's done, boom, that should be done now. Boom. See, it says execution done, press any key. You do not need to close this. There's other videos out there that says you need to close this, but you do not. As of 2020, you want version 9. You don't have to even worry about that actually because I already got everything for you. You're already set. So just leave this file open. Then what you want to do from here is go back to your PK3DS. Boom. You're going to open it, right? Alright, this is the important part right here. You want to take the copy folder, you want to click and drag it into PK3DS. And what that's going to do is it's going to put the file location and everything in there where it needs to be. Now you have to choose the entire folder of packhack copy. You could rename it to modded, however you want, but I just leave it as packhack copy when I was doing all my testing. And having one packhack in there with everything you need, all you have to do is just copy and paste, boom, you can go in there, edit it, do all you need, and you will always have a folder with default files that aren't modded, so you will save yourself in case something happens or you mess up, or somewhere down the line, let's say you just want to go back to playing it normally. There you go. So in here is where you're going to do all the magic. So let's say you wanted to randomize your starters, right? So you have randomizer options, all your different generations, 1 through 7 here. You can randomize game legends, event legends, all the held items, mega forms, randomized abilities, gift Pokemon. I did. You can remove shiny locks here, put metronome mode in. You can randomize all the trades, all the encounters, and all the gifts. So Rowlet, Litten, and Popolio are gift Pokemon, right? So let's go to our randomizer option, the randomizer option, and randomize everything. Boom, boom. Randomize static encounter. Randomize our starters. Boom. So now if we go to encounters, you can see we have a bunch of different ones in here. Now if we go to our gifts, remember the very first 3 were the starters. So we're going to get a Mankey, a Chikorita, or a Froakie. I don't really like those starters, so let's go ahead and randomize it again without looking. So always randomize all. Press yes through all the prompts if you want to do randomizing of all your static encounters and all of your gifts Pokemon. So you're going to save that, close it. Boom. That's your static encounters. Pick up items. This is all the items on the ground throughout the game that you can pick up. Go ahead and just randomize that. Press OK. Save it. Boom. Fantastic. Item stats, move stats you can do if you want. I don't really want to. This is the dev stuff for a little bit more in-depth modding. Don't really care for that. Battle Royale and the tree, you can modify that to your heart's content, but we're going to go into trainers for this next one. We want to randomize the trainers that we fight and the Pokemon and the moves and everything that they have. So we got stat moves, random held item, random abilities. I didn't put max IVs or max trainer AI. You can if you want to make it like really, really hard. I just want to kind of keep it normal. Random trainer classes, ignore special classes, force random mega forms, 6 Pokemon for important trainers, so like your rival, ensure post game mega evolutions, all that good stuff, and then you just randomize all. Are you sure? Yes. Boom, and then you're done. You can obviously pick a Pokemon here and then change their team and do a lot more, but I just randomize everything. So that's that. Egg moves and mega evolutions, like if you click on it, it's going to show this. You can pick a Pokemon like Abra and give it to them, etc., etc. You can completely modify it however you want if you really want to go to. So this is going to be the evolution editor, and I just want to have random evolutions. Pokemon will randomly evolve into things. So I believe that's going to be a Bulbasaur evolving into a Spiritomb right there. So yeah, and you can, Ivysaur is going to get into a Drago. Venusaur, randomize all. Venusaur is a final evolution, so he won't evolve. But, etc., etc. So that's all done. Level up moves and wild encounters. We're going to go to wild encounters because we want the wild to be randomized. So on this screen, it just shows like all the Pokemon that you can find on particular routes per game generation. Apparently you can find like a Pichu or a Pikachu. So randomize all. Right there. Randomize wild encounters. Randomize all again. Just to make sure it goes through nicely. Cool. Everything's been randomized. And as you see here, there's a Mega Rayquaza. Oh, man. Alright. And we're done with our wild encounters. So we're pretty much done on this screen here. So we're going to go to the next folder over, which is going to be your TMs. We're going to randomize them. Are you sure? Yes. You can go to your shiny rate and adjust that, but I just leave it as default for me. You can also go to the type charts and change those up. Pokemart. So all the items that the Pokemart has, we're going to randomize Mart inventories. Only special marts? Yes. We want to leave kind of the regular necessities intact, like your Pokeballs and your potions, just in case you need them. You can also go in here and do your battle point items and things like that if you'd like. You know what, we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to randomize it too. Alright, cool. You can do move tutors if you want, and that's that. So we're pretty much done with PK3DS. That's all I want to do for modding. That's going to get you randomized encounters, going to get you randomized starters, randomized Pokemart items other than what you need, random trainers and trainer Pokemon. You're going to have Mega Evolves pop up, and I've also removed the Shiny Lock. There was an option in there under, I think, static encounters or wild encounters in there. There's one of those that I went through that has the option to remove the Shiny Lock. So that's it. That's all you need to do with PK3DS. So we're done. So now we want to go back to our pack hack, and we want to go and choose R. And now it's going to ask you to input a file name. So I do finished, for instance. That's going to be the file name that it's going to generate, so we know which pk.3ds file that we want to use, or Citrus 3ds file we want to use. I apologize. So we're going to pull up our modded folder. We're going to go into pack hack copy, and you're going to see here, once that goes through, depending on your computer, it might take a little bit longer. I have a really beefy computer, so it's not going to take too terribly long. It should be done here in any moment now. It's going to, yeah, there it goes. As you can see, it's going to put in some more files, and then it's going to recompile and do a bunch of other fun things. And eventually you're going to get one that's called finished _ edited right here, .3ds. Press any key to continue, and that's it. You're done. So if you wanted the Citrus to look like how I had it, you don't need to do anything else in here. You could re-edit the folder, like, let's rename it here to randomized sun. I probably spelled that wrong, but whatever. You get it. So then we go back into our Citrus. We open it up. So the way to get it to look the way I had it with the game showing up, you just take that randomized sun folder. I don't have my screen up where I need it. Things are too big. Oh, it won't let me. Alright, so you just go file, load file, desktop, modded, PK, open. Oh wait, randomized. I mean, you can open up this. You don't need this folder, this file anymore. You can delete it. You can open up that. Boom. All right. So there we go. This is also going to go off my last save location as well. So that's why I'm standing right there. So if you save the game at any point in time, it's going to create a save file overall for no matter which Pokemon that you choose, which file, which Pokemon.3ds file you choose. And I can show you guys how to go about refreshing that, so you will have a fresh file, a fresh save, which is a folder that I made. I'll show you how to get to where it is, but we're just going to prove that everything should be randomized now. If it doesn't, we'll show you what I would do. But it should be randomized. Yeah, see, now we have an Axew, a Drowsy, and an Eevee. We're going to take the Axew. I think Axew would be fantastic. It turns into a Haxorus, so why not? Let's add him to the party. Welcome, buddy. Oh, the Kahuna. Oh, yo. Yeah, I played all the way through the Kahuna boss fight, or the Kahuna party fight, where you fight your rival on the middle thing after you save Cosmog. I went through all that. See, now we have a Curlia. And did we just get do we have a shiny? Oh my. Alright, boom, scratch. Boom, get out of here. As you see, we got a Curlia. I honestly think we have a shiny, guys. Is that a shiny? No, that can't be a shiny. That's crazy. Either way. But yeah, boom. Now if we saved right here, it'll pop up, and anytime you wanted to like make new files or anything like that, it'll do that. Let's see if we can go to a different spot if it'll let us. Okay, like watch it, cause rough. We can't go over there cause it's dangerous. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's all you need to do. Everything's included, as I stated before. Okay, we got a Starmie here. We're gonna go ahead and run. But boom, there you go, guys. Pokemon's Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon randomized. Now, I already have the 1.2 updated, but we're gonna go ahead and stop our emulation right now. See, we can add a new game directory. Go to modded. If we go to randomize, select folder, there we go. We needed to select a folder so it'll pop up in here. Boom, there you go. Now it's like this. So once you have it like this, you can open save data location. And that's gonna bring you to a file on your computer. And right here is the main. If you get it to where you have that on here before you do any modding to the save file, well, honestly, actually, you don't need to worry about it. All you need to do is delete that folder. So let me pop that back up here. So under this folder, all I have to do is back up one. So you're gonna back up the data. This folder right here, you can just delete it. Like if you delete it, boom, we're gonna delete it. And now we're gonna go back to Citra, and we're gonna relaunch Pokemon Ultra Sun, and boom, there you go. It takes you right back to the start, and everything's gonna be over again. Then just go ahead and stop your emulation. Go back to the save data location, and there, boom, a brand new main file. All you need to do is copy that file and put it into a separate folder. So that way, if ever you wanted to start over, you just can take that save file, boom, there you go. Start over, brand new. You can re-randomize everything and run again if you want. That's just a little gee whiz for you guys if you were curious about that at all. Now, I said I would show you guys how to update the Pokemon Ultra Sun file from a 1.0 to a 1.2 version, which is really easy. So you just click on File, Install CIA, right? So we're going to go to our desktop. We're going to click everything you need. Pokemon Sun version 1.2 update for Citra. It is a CIA file. You're going to hit Open. The installation of CIA was aborted. Please see log. What? Why was it? Oh, is it? Okay, we're going to reload. It should go through. I already have version 1.2, but you might have to install it prior to modding it. So, nope, there it goes. Installing. It was just getting mad at me for some reason. Probably because it was in the background or something. So I had to close it and reopen it. There you go, guys. Boom. Fantastic. Everything you need. It's updated. It's randomized. No bullshit. I'm including a link to my folder, which is titled Everything You Need, in my Google Drive account that I have. So, yeah. Going out to all you guys who want to mod Pokemon Ultra Sun or Ultra Moon. Like I said, it took me a little bit of time to get everything to work properly and compile everything. So if you guys could leave a like, a comment, and or subscribe if you guys want to see more, I'd deeply appreciate that. If not, it's all cool. You guys just keep out there, have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.